Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can change your time zone of your iPhone, since some people face the issue of not knowing how you can change it. So today I'll be showing you how all that is done. So the steps are simple. To do that, let's start by opening settings. And now that it's open, you can see that we have so many settings tools to work with. So let's simply find general and click on it. And now that we it open, you can see even more settings tool to work with, so simply go and click on date and time. And now that it's open, you can see more tools related to date and time, such as 24-hour format, set automatically, and also time zone. So for example, if you click on time zone and try changing it, it won't succeed, it's disabled. So all you will have to do is disable set automatically. And now that it's turned off, you can see that we have the option to change time and date and also time zone. And now if you click on the time zone, you will see that we have been given the option to change it. So search up a time zone you would like to change to. So for example, let's try Washington. And now as you can see, it applied and even my time even changed. So from now on you can change your time zone however you want. So let's try another time zone. And now as you can see, it also applied as well. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.